This one, I need to graph this thing. I need to label all of the x and y intercepts. So it's actually pretty similar to part B. Um, First thing I need to do is figure out all my zeros. So I look at each of these and I figure out what value of x makes this thing go to 0 for each of these little parts. So the value of x that makes the first one go to 0 is 0. Next one is 2. Next one is 4. So what I'm going to do is put ticks like this, and then I'm going to actually put a dot at each of those x values, 0, 2, and 4. Now, since I can look at this equation here, and I could multiply everything out, and I know that the biggest term would be an x cubed, a positive x cubed, in fact. That would be this one times this times these three, the product of these three. You think about if I were to do the product of that one instead, that would give me an x squared term. But the biggest power is x cubed. So that means that my graph is going to be an x cubed graph like that. Now I just have to take this thing, this green thing right here, and fit it in so that it hits all of these dots. So I'll do it in blue. I'm going to go up through, down, up like that, and I try to make it as smooth as possible. Now, one of the things that this says in the directions is to label all the x and y intercepts. This one, I'm fortunate in that it goes through the origin, so that kind of kills two birds with one stone. It is an x-intercept, and it's also a y-intercept. If it was somewhere else, like in B, then you need to make sure you label that y-intercept. But that's the answer for this one.